In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Life360 password. So if you want to reset your Life360 password, first of all launch open Life360 application on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Life360 has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. You can sign in with your mobile number or you can also sign in with your email. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for email. So if you have also done that, simply enter your email address over here. After you do that, tap on this option, continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Since you want to reset your password, tap on this option, forget password, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be redirected to the browser. From here you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter your email or phone number over here. Now after you do that, simply wait for a while. Wait until the Cloudflare verifies you. Now after the verification is done, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here an email will be sent to your email address. So what you have to do is open Gmail on your device. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Due to some technical error, I am not being able to receive the email address. It might be because of my location, but you'll be able to receive the email address. In that email, you'll be able to find the reset link. All you have to do is follow that link. After you follow the link, you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Simply enter the new password. After you create the new password for yourself, you'll be able to log into your account using the new password. So like this, you'll be able to reset the password. So that is how you reset Life360 password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.